When was the last time you looked at the person you love and thought, I don't want to lose this? Not I love you, not I need you, but that quiet, trembling realization that even after the arguments, even after the misunderstandings, even after the days you felt unheard or unvalued, you still want to choose them. Because here's a truth nobody tells you. Real love is not the absence of conflict. Real love is choosing each other, even when it's not easy. If you've ever fought with someone you love, if you've ever walked away to cool down and still found yourself thinking about them, if you've ever apologized, even when your pride was screaming, don't do it. This video is for you. Take a deep breath. Let's talk about the kind of love that survives storms. Love is not a fairy tale. It's not the highlight reel we see on social media. Real love is messy, emotional, and sometimes painfully honest. There are days when you misunderstand each other. There are nights when you sleep facing opposite directions. There are moments when your heart feels heavy, and yet you wake up the next day still hoping it works, still trying, still choosing. Because the truth is, we fight with the people we care about the most. You don't get angry at strangers. You don't argue deeply with people who don't matter. You argue because you're invested, because you care, because their words hit your heart, not your ears. Arguments aren't signs of a failing relationship. They're signs that two imperfect humans are trying their best to build something meaningful. Misunderstandings happen because we think fast but speak slowly. We feel deeply but express poorly. We want to be understood but rarely explain. We expect our partner to just know. But love doesn't work like that. Love needs communication. Love needs patience. Love needs clarity. And most importantly, love needs two people who are willing to meet in the middle. Every relationship has arguments, but the couples who survive are the ones who come back to each other again and again. The apology after the anger, the hug after the silence, the I'm sorry, even when it hurts your pride, the I miss you text after a long day of not speaking. Those moments, they're the glue of real love. Because real love doesn't proven when everything is easy. Real love is proven when everything is difficult. Anyone can stay when the sun is shining, but the one who stays during storms, that's the one you build your life with. The biggest killer of relationships is not anger. It's ego. Ego says, I won't text first. I won't apologize. I won't admit I was wrong. But love whispers, talk to them. Fix it. Don't lose someone you love just because you wanted to win. At the end of the day, you must choose. Do you want to be right, or do you want to be together? Relationships survive when emotions are bigger than ego, when understanding is more important than scoring points, when peace is valued more than pride. No one is perfect. Not you, not your partner, not me, not anyone. We all come with past wounds, insecurities, fears, triggers. We all carry invisible stories. And sometimes those stories show up as anger, as silence, as distance. But love is not about finding a perfect person. Love is about finding someone whose imperfections you can grow through. Someone who says, yes, we had a bad day, but we're not going to let it become a bad relationship. Someone who holds your hand even after a fight. Someone who stays even when you push them away. Someone who says, I'm here, we'll figure this out. That is love. Not perfect people, but two people willing to give a perfect effort. We don't talk enough about the beauty of reconciliation. That moment when anger melts into softness, when the walls come down, when the eyes fill with emotion, when the heart finally whispers, come back. The hug after an argument feels different. The silence turns warm. The breathing sinks again. Two hearts apologize without words. Those moments are sacred. Those moments are love. Because winning an argument means nothing if you lose your connection. Every relationship will reach a moment of choice. Do you walk away or do you hold on? And the answer depends on one simple question. Is this person worth fighting for? If the answer is yes, fight the problem, not the person. Hold their hands tighter on the hard days. Give them grace. give them patience, give them understanding. Because love doesn't last by accident. Love lasts by intention. Love is not grand gestures every day. Love is consistency. It's the good morning text, the drive safe, the did you eat, the I'm proud of you, the I'm here. Those small moments build a foundation stronger than any romantic gesture because real love feels like home, safe, warm, familiar. As humans, we change, we evolve, our needs shift, our dreams grow. The real test of love is whether you grow together or apart. Strong couples communicate through changes. They don't fear difficult conversations. They update each other's hearts like software, learning what hurts, what comforts, what heals. Relationships thrive when both people say, I want to understand you, even the parts of you that you don't know how to express. Love is not measured by how many times you laugh together, but by how many times you fight and still choose each other. The real definition of love is this: I choose you. On good days, on bad days, even on days when we don't understand each other, I still choose you. That is the love that lasts. That is the love that survives. That is the love worth keeping. So if you're watching this and your relationship is in a rough patch, take a breath. Don't count the fights. Don't replay the mistakes. Don't let ego take the wheel. Instead, remember why you love them in the first place. Hold their hand. Send the message. Apologize if needed. Talk. Listen. Try. Because sometimes one honest conversation can save a relationship that silence was slowly killing. Real love doesn't walk away. Real love shows up. Real love stays. Real love fights. Real love heals. And if you found someone like that, don't let go. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.